In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account in Curb app. To get started, the first thing you need to do is download the Curb app to your phone. If you're using an iPhone, you can get it from the App Store, and if you're using an Android device, head to the Google Play Store. Once the app has finished installing, open it to begin the setup process. When the welcome screen appears, look for the sign up option and tap it. This will take you to the account creation screen, where you'll enter the basic information needed to set up your profile. Next, fill in the required personal details. Typically, this includes your first and last name, your email address, your mobile phone number, and a password that you create for the account. It's a good idea to use an email address you check regularly, since it will serve as your username. Also, make sure the phone number you enter can receive text messages, because that may be needed for verification. After submitting your details, Curb may ask you to verify your phone number. If that happens, you'll receive a text message with instructions. Follow the prompt in that message to confirm your number and complete that part of the setup. This verification step helps keep your account secure and makes sure your contact information is valid. Once your phone number is verified, you can add a payment method. In the app, tap credit card or payment methods depending on what appears on your screen. Then enter your credit or debit card information carefully. This payment method will be used when you book and pay for taxi rides through the app, so it's worth double checking that everything is entered correctly before moving on. You'll also need to review the terms of service and privacy policy. Take a moment to read through them, then check the box to confirm that you agree. This step is required before your account can be finalized. To finish creating your account, tap the final button on your screen. Depending on your device, this may say sign up, create account, or done. Once you tap it, your registration should be complete. After that, you're ready to start using Curb. You can book a taxi on demand, schedule rides in supported areas, pay directly through the app, and review your ride history and receipts whenever you need them. And that's it. You now have your Curb account set up and ready to go.